You guys being independent for so long and so successful, are there any creative ways that you know that artists that maybe some people haven't thought of, that other artists can make money in this age? You know what I'm saying? Other than just kind of traditional streaming and stuff like that.
I mean, I don't know if it's something that like nobody's ever heard of, but we had a lot of different revenue streams, right? Like we sold merch, we sold our music, we had downloads and streams. We had touring, we would have sponsorship deals with certain companies at times. Um, the publishing side, brings in money. The guys did features, so they would sometimes get paid to do features. YouTube revenue is there. If you decide to do like a fan club or like a subscription thing, I was in the process of coming up with an idea to have like a subscription, a subscription option for our fans. We never got to launch it. And then I was also wanted to get into doing like, come up with like some television and film shows that we could pitch. But it all just starts with a brand, and fans. If you got fans, it's gonna open up opportunities for you. And that's why I said like we focus really on build. We spent so much time online in the early days. Well, actually throughout the whole life of the company, but like a lot early days, responding to every message, responding to every comment, trying to come up with ways to turn our fans into like helpers, right? So we had like internet street teams. So I would have like a Facebook group for every city. So it would be like Funk Volume Los Angeles, Funk Volume Denver, and we have like a street team leader that headed up each one of those groups. When we sold CDs, we would sell them. We would let our fans buy CDs for $2 a piece and let them sell them for whatever they want. So if you wanted to sell 50, if you had to buy at least 25 CDs, but if you bought 25 CDs at $50, you can sell them for $5. You can sell them for $10. You can sell them for whatever you want and keep the profit. And, a lot of fans made money from us. We made $1. Yeah, we made $1 on every CD, but it wasn't about that. It was just about getting the word out. So I don't think artists need more ways to make money. You just need fans, and you need to just have a brand that people really rock with, and then because running a label is already like 5 or 6 businesses in one, right? Like we sell merchandise, so that could be its own. That's a clothing line. That's its own business, right? Touring can be its own business. Publishing can be its own business. Like it's several businesses within one. So you don't need more ways. You just need to figure out how to get your brand popping. And then we also sold beats too. So we sold beats on our website. And then with some of our producers out, because a lot of times people would come to our site and they would want a funk volume beat. So like all the producers would make beats, put them on our website, and we would just split that revenue 50-50 with the producers. And I've actually pitched this idea to producers, and I don't know if any of them if anybody has taken me up on it, but it's like, if you should maybe go to a brand, let's just say World Star. And I know, and I say World Star because I know they were interested in selling beats at one point. I could easily see them have like a beat portal, and have just producers submit beats. And then because they have the audience and the platform, I'm sure they would sell and beats is great because, artists need beats at a lower price. There's no fulfillment response. It's all digital. So, we would probably get another $4 or $5 a month not doing anything, there are definitely ways once you have a brand and a platform to be able to leverage that to make money. But we probably had, 10, 11 different revenue streams. But nothing was like, oh, wow, I didn't know you could do that.
Right.
We just, as an independent label or artist, your no single revenue stream is probably going to be like super crazy, but you do just have to know like what revenue streams are out there and make sure you're collecting everything. you know. So you might not have like $1 million revenue stream, but you got 1,000 over here and 50 over here and 2,000 over here, and you just got to make sure that you're organized enough to collect everything that's owed to you once you get those